The seeds of this sanctuary for the sacred were sown 35 years ago in the heritage town of Dharmasthala. Our roots lie in India's first college of Naturopathy and Yogic sciences that has grown into a family of wellness centers, each with its own character, unified by the guiding values of integrated well-being.
ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವತು ಅನ್ನೋ ತತ್ವದಿಂದ ಇದು ಹೊರಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವುದಾಗ.
Kshema, rooted in the idea of the inextricable interconnectedness of man and nature, this concept draws from the archetypal tree of life and the sacred grove, an idea that transcends geographical and cultural borders, manifesting in different forms in mythologies and philosophies across the world. Vana is a sanctuary both physical and metaphorical, a sacred space to reconnect with mind, body, and soul, to regain balance and embrace a mindful way of life in communion with nature.
प्राकृतिक चिकित्सा जीवन जीने का तरीका है.
Kshemavana, the forest of wellness, is a sanctuary, a space that celebrates the connection between Purusha and Prakriti, or man and nature. It is a space to reconnect with the mind, body and soul, regain balance and adapt or embrace a mindful way of life. The Welcome Area block, doctors prescribe a holistic plan of treatment designed to provide mind-body balance. Garuda also houses the treatment areas and a library. Dominates the landscape and houses the yoga hall. Vari the pool and the Kriya areas. At Nandi, the food is wholesome, seasonal and balanced. The treatment areas provide an array of healing therapies. At Kshemavana, a wide array of accommodations are available to suit every need, and the lush gardens and spaces thoughtfully designed to relax and enjoy nature. Kshemavana and